Hi friends, welcome to Zaltechlearning. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how to install Flutter on your operating system. If you want to install Flutter, then first of all open your favorite browser, Google, and just write Flutter install. It's take you to the official link to the Flutter installation. As you can see here, the full procedure of installation is given for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. If you are using Windows, then go with this zip file. First of all friends, you have to download this zip file and unzip this zip file. I show you that I previously downloaded this and store it on home, on desktop, Android. As you can see here, if I am using Linux, so I have this tar.xz file which I downloaded from this Linux side. As you can see here, this tar.xz file I downloaded from here and I saved it from to here, and I just extract this file from here to Flutter. As you can see here, the full SDK, this is the friends known as the Flutter SDK. This will be you have to download. After downloading this, just open your terminal and you have to set the path of this Flutter. If you are using Windows, then might be chance that you have to set this path as your environmental variable. That I know, I just thinking that you know how to set it in Windows. I am providing this how to set it in a terminal using Linux commands. Let's first of all open the file, source file. To open it, the source file, use gedit root dot slash dot profile and press enter. As you can see here, I installed this Flutter in home. In home I have one Namish folder. In Namish folder I have desktop. In desktop I have this Android, and in Android I have this Flutter, and this is a bin. Just use this property, and as you can see here, I have full path over here. Just copy this path. I want to show you what is this path. I'm just pasting it over here. Control V. I just inserted full path, and at last just add here /bin. As you can see this, if you want to run this from the terminal, you have to add this line to your profile edit file. As you can see here, first of all edit command, after that path is equals to, in double quotation, $path colon, and just you have to add this line which we just found out from here, as we want to use this bin class as a Flutter application. So you have to add this line in your profile and just save it. After saving this file, you have to write one another command. If you do not want to log in and log out or restart your computer, just use this command, source space root /dot profile, and press enter. Now if you are going to write Flutter over here, you can see that this command is recognized by your terminal, and you can use this Flutter command in your applications. Now just we downloaded our Flutter SDK over here. Let's start how to install it in and connect it in Android Studio. First of all, close these things and just open your Android Studio. As you can see here, I previously added a Flutter in my Android Studio, so I have a link to start a new Flutter project. But you are starting first time, then you do not have any Flutter project. Then if you want to include Flutter in your Android Studio, first of all go here in configure. As you can see here, a configure setting, go in configure, and here is a plugins. So you can see this on your dashboard. As you can see here we have 3 tabs: marketplace, installs, updates. But you have to go in marketplace and just here browse to a Flutter and press enter. As you can see here, here is a first Flutter plugin, but I previously installed it. If you do not install it yet, then please click on installed, and it requires the Dart language, so it asks you to download a Dart language, then press yes and it will install Flutter for you. Once you install this Flutter, then please restart your Android Studio and you get this link in your browser. Friends, as I understand that you just included Flutter plugins and you just restarted your Android Studio and you get some pop-up menu that you have to give a WakaTime plugin key. So if you want to get this WakaTime plugin key, then please start your favorite browser. In that favorite browser, open your Google and just write here WakaTime Key and press enter. As you press enter, as you can get help WakaTime and press this help WakaTime, or you can go with this WakaTime API v1. Just press WakaTime API v1. You get this prompt, but first of all, if you want to get this WakaTime, you have to do login. If you want to log in WakaTime, you can create someone, but I already have one GitHub login, so I am going with login with GitHub. As you can see here, I already have provided passwords and my email ID in this cookies of browser, so it's already taken me to this console or my dashboard. But if you are going for first time, you get here prompt which is providing you a WakaTime key, and that key you will be provided here, which is provided menu, so you can get inside this Flutter project. Let's start with random Flutter project. If you want to develop first your Android Flutter project, then just start a new Flutter project, and you can see this. You can develop Flutter applications, plugins, packages and modules. If you want to just start with basic application, just use this Flutter application and press next. This will be your project name. Which project name you want to provide? I'm just going to provide Flutter _ demo _. You can't provide capital letters, so please use small letters. Flutter demo start. I am providing just random name. As I said, to download Flutter, as you can see, I already downloaded this Flutter folder from Google Developers. I have to navigate to Flutter, that Flutter folder from here. Just click this browse button. As I said that I installed it home, Namish. Inside Namish I store it in desktop. On desktop I have this Android folder. In Android I have this Flutter. Just choose this Flutter root directory and press OK. As you can see, the error is which already present here is gone, and if you do not do that to install this Flutter, then please do this install SDK. After that, you can provide some description for your project and choose the project location by just browsing here. After completion of this wizard, just press next, and you can here see that the company domain, if you have and not present in company, then just select this random. This will be your package name, as you can see here, and you can edit it by pressing it, but just for our reference, do as the provided by Android Studio and just press finish. It developing Flutter project for you, which is the basic application which is developed by Google. As you can see here, my first application is started, and IDE and plugins are available for Kotlin, but I do not want to use Kotlin. As you can see here, our basic application is running here. We are going to learn this whole things in our next videos, how this application run, how you can use stateless widget, stateful widget. All the details information will be provided you on my next videos. And if you want to see the output of this device, then you have, first of all, you have to device your virtual device from here. No devices. As you can see here, I have present one virtual device. I am just selecting it. It's going to start my virtual device before going to. As you can see here, my device is started. Let's run it in virtual environment. As you can see here, running process is working on Android SDK or lib.main.dart. Installation is installing Gradles, resolving dependencies. All the dependencies will be provided in. You can see this file over here. I want to show you one file. This file pubspec.yaml. All the dependencies of the project will be added over here. As you can see here, dev dependencies, the inbuilt dependency, which is a Cupertino icons, which is provided by the Google. As you can see here, running Gradle task is building our application. Now, as you can see here, installation process is working and our emulator successfully created. I'm just do it. You can see here, as provided here, the title demo Flutter demo homepage. You can see the title over here, and then one increment method will be provided and set state. Every time when you click this button, state will be called, and after that the counter will be increased from 0. As you can see here, as I press this button, the value of this is increasing. This is the basic program or application which is provided by the Google. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. If you know how to install Flutters with your Android Studio, a same procedure will be worked on Visual Studio Code or any other Eclipse or anywhere. You can use Android Studio for more references because it provides some easy interface to develop web applications or mobile applications. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, then do likes, and if you want that your friends also know about how to use Flutters, then please share my videos with them. And if you want more videos, then please subscribe my channel here. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.